Hi guys, welcome to Pretentious Movie Reviews. This week's movie is... So let's jump into it quickly. The movie starts with this old guy who's on acid. And he makes a school called... And we have the opposite of the old man, a young lady called Bijli. She talks about a favorite member of the Kapoor family. Shakti! Shakti! They fight over a stick in this very well written scene.
ये छड़ी मुझे दे दो।
नहीं, ये छड़ी मैं तुम्हें नहीं दूंगा।
ये छड़ी मैं तुमसे छीन लूंगी।
ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर। ये हाथ मैं तुझे नहीं दूंगा। ये हाथ मैं ले लूंगा। Okay then.
200 साल बाद।
Fast forwarding 200 years, the principal of the school is Rang Birangi.
दुक्का।
Who's kind of a bitch. See, we didn't say it. It's not like we called her a or. Even her mirror doesn't like her.
बोल आईना।
क्या है?
Okay, the film's protagonist is a little boy called Shanu. Whose dad is a magician who does one magic trick and he fails and he dies.
लोग समझते हैं कि अब फ्रॉड है।
पापा आप नहीं मर सकते। मैं मर गया हूँ। अच्छा थे। Okay. See, if your dad dies doing magic tricks, the obvious logical next step is to go learn magic tricks.
मैं भी आपकी तरह एक बड़ा जादूगर बनूंगा।
At this point, we should probably mention that he goes to magic school. There's a bunch of shit. Flying purple head.
चले आओ।
Unnecessarily Bengali professors.
मोन की शक्ति।
Draco Malfoy.
उठ है चले आते हैं।
Quidditch. Big black guy. Hungry paintings. Leave all that other shit. What we really want to draw your attention to.
मोन की शक्ति।
What is the highlight of this movie?
मोन की शक्ति।
Is unimpressed Sardar child.
मोन की शक्ति से।
It's easy to impress normal children. To normal children, you're like, hey, magic. They're like, yay. But not unimpressed Sardar child.
तुम लोग जो भी चाहो वो कर सकते हो।
Okay, so later in the movie, there's a scene in which Shanu finds out his dad, who he thought was dead, is not actually dead. It's a very touching scene. He's crying, his friends are crying, but in the back, you can see unimpressed Sardar child who is sleeping.
आरपी मैडम ने उनकी क्या?
And now is being unimpressed by his dreams. It's amazing. There's a lot of stuff you can learn from unimpressed Sardar child. Stop trying to impress people. Impress people with how unimpressed you are. Hey bro, I just got back from America, bro. Hey, the election results are out. Dura said, Chale Sadha. Dettol kills 99.9% of germs. तुम 0.01% को मारोगे, मैं नहीं मारूंगा, तुमको मारना पड़ेगा. Okay then. All right then. All right. Product placement is when you carefully place a product inside a movie. Hey, how's your family? And they have very carefully placed this movie in a Parle G commercial.
Parle G power supply. Yeah!
If you're in a magic school and you have to make a painting, what do you use?
Camel oil pastels, Camel ready mix, Camel poster colors.
They do product placement using the Jani Dushman technique of using a TV.
All the best millionaire. पहले विजेता हैं जयपुर।
Count the number of times Parle G is said in the next segment.
अब पार्ले जी करेगा आपका सपना पूरा। पार्ले जी के पैक में पार्ले जी का गिफ्ट हैम्पर। पार्ले जी खाइए, मौज उड़ाइए। पार्ले जी का पैक ले आइए।
It's obvious that Camlin and Parle G put in a lot of money for this movie. But it's also obvious that Parle G put in way more money because there is so much Parle G. You have Flying Parle G, Parle G Gateway, Parle G Basket with complimentary Hunty, Parle G House. Guess who the music director of this movie is? If you think Himesh is bad now, he has improved a lot.
हम हैं राजा, हम हैं हीरो।
सूरत से लगते हो zero।
There is a song that is off time. It's like they record the lyrics and they were like, यार मैं बीट भूल गया.
जीना उसी का जीना है जिसने जाना ये राज।
जिंदगी जिंदगी लगती है।
जिंदगी जिंदगी लगती है कैसे लगती है. This movie also has Hanshika Motwani. playing a child, and Himesh is the music director. 3 years later, we have Aapka Surur, where Himesh is the hero and she is his love interest.
तुम मेरे लिए क्या कर सकते हो?
गाने गा सकता हूँ.
So basically that means that this movie was not shot in 2003. This was shot in like 1998. They couldn't find an editor because every editor they fuck this.
मुझे नहीं करना.
Or they wanted to do in 3D, one dimensional. Was like, I'm not doing this. In closing, we like to say this is a good movie, but the book is better than the movie.
Which book?
Any book. And scene. Alright, man. Good shit.
We have to do a sketch now.
Yeah, let's
do something about.
how about Parle Ji Road?
No, we can't do anything about Parle Ji, bro.
What? What are you talking about?
Bro, दीवारों के कान होते हैं.
What दीवारों के कान? What the fuck are you talking about? Parle Ji, motherfucking, is it biscuit?
Dude, understand where we are.
How did this come here?
Dude, it's biscuit.
Was it there the entire time?
Bro, let's just. Yeah, let's.
What?
Let's just.
What? What is wrong? No,
Just leave. Think about what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember?
Yeah.
Gunda review.
आज सड़क
जानी दुश्मन. मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
आपका सुरूर. Now it's.
Before we leave, what we want to do is everybody in the audience is if you could all on three. Okay,